gone so long the oil stains have dried where you used to park your car. You say you missed me? Yeah, missed me enough to follow me around, sure, but not enough to just come on home and get down. Busted! Busted? Here, sit down, honey. You're so upset you don't know what to do with yourself. Darling, I know you're impulsive and considered the possibility of pulling out your Rambo and fly blasting me. But your chill is too cool. Your common sense is not failing, 'cause I'll be on you like a scene from Aliens. But I am glad you didn't want to mess up this $3,700 Lynx coat that you bought with my money. Yeah, I saw you in the bank line drawing money from the well-marked yours and mine. I hope you got enough, 'cause it's gonna have to last till the end of time. And thanks for canceling all the credit cards, 'cause the one good thing about cash, my dear, is it doesn't take 20 minutes to clear. And that big blue Beamer I bought you, well, while you were in here squawking, it's been towed away, so keep on walking in the rain. Keep the silks, keep the sables, keep the pearls. Better yet, give them to the next silly little girl. And the things you taught me, the things you gave me, the ones you didn't count, like chlamydia and monelia, words my doctor taught me to pronounce. Yeah, the games you wrote can't be played. You're piling up karma that must be paid. Yes, you $1,000,000 baby, promised me everything, gave me maybe. Cops could be battering down the door. It's a flaky situation, you become a bore. Money can't buy the love I shared with you. You're as out of place as cornflakes in stew. Yeah, silly rabbit, this trick's on you. Yeah, you played your hand much too close, so you're the one who's lost the most. Your Kmart dressing girlfriend's on the corner by the bus stop, so call her on in so y'all can set up shop. And if you feel like busting that cap, think about it. Be sure you can take the rap. Let me give you a little advice. If you meet another real woman, treat her nice. See, I thought you were a diamond, but you're a fake, a fraud, and a phony. You're a cubic zirconium, a faucet diamond. Late night advertising, selling wolf tickets. You rookie.